boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. And boy, oh boy, Christmas in August is all I got to tell you. Been waiting on this bad boy for a year. We finally have it. The beast of all beasts. The Galaxy Note 9 is in the building. Now, this is going to be like a little, a short first impressions video. Now, I got it yesterday. It's a T-Mobile variant. Got it a day earlier for release, which I'm glad because I went to a function last night at my local zoo, a lantern lighting festival, and I gotta tell y'all, the pictures, without me getting in depth, I say that for my final review, but just the first impressions of the pictures that this phone takes, all I gotta tell you is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not going to show you the pictures yet. You're going to have to stand by for my next, for my final review. And I know people say that it's the same, basically the same camera that's on the Galaxy S9 Plus, I mean. And that may be true, but coming from an owner of the Galaxy S9 Plus, I gotta say these are better. Maybe it's just because I'm biased. If you're new to my channel, you don't know I'm a Samsung fanboy. I would knock them when they do something messed up, but I'm a Samsung fanboy. I love Samsung devices. I get the Note phones every time they come out. The Galaxy, I'm just a Galaxy fan, and I'm here to tell you, the pictures this phone, I'm just telling you. I'm gonna say no more. What I am gonna do is show you this beautiful device right now. It's just, I don't even know how to explain it. You know, they say it's not that big of an upgrade when it comes to looks from the Note 8, but holding this and then holding my Note 8, it feels so different. Maybe it's because it's a new phone. Nah. It just feels, I mean, I can tell, I mean, the screen real estate on it is bigger, of course, not that much bigger, but it just feels so different. You got your power button here on the side there. And then the back, they rearranged the fingerprint sensor, which I am glad they did that. Instead of having it up here, it's here. It's a little higher than what I'd like. I like to see it like maybe, so you hold it, I got bigger hands, so when I'm holding it, you know, naturally, if I'm holding this phone naturally like this, you know, right here, so it's a little higher than what I'd liked, but it's okay. It's better than having to do this and that, you know what I'm saying? Would be better if it was here, but I can do that instead of that. So no gripe. And y'all, look at this. Look at this color. I don't know if my lighting does it any justice, but this color is absolutely amazing. The blue color, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me wipe it down. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I'm not even a fan of the color blue. If you remember my channel, you know, if you subscribe to my channel, you know my favorite color is red. But the blue just caught my attention. And then the S Pen. We got your speakers, USB-C power port there, headphone jack. But check this out, and I like the way they did this. It's one of the reasons why I picked blue, because the S Pen. Look at this. Yellow S Pen. And I like to call it the Super S Pen, because now it's got Bluetooth capabilities. You can have your phone, either have your phone set up somewhere on a tripod or something and use this to take pictures. If you're in a business meeting, you can use it to operate your slides. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just really, the Note 9 really makes me excited for the S10. But this boy here, it's just amazing. I'm glad they came up with the with a little bit bigger screen. The screen really stayed on it. The screen is still just beautiful. Screen is still beautiful. Fast. Let me turn down the brightness so you can see a little bit. Absolutely beautiful. Like I say, I ain't gonna get into a lot of specs. It's not that it's not a huge incremental upgrade. I'm not gonna get into the specs of it because this is just a little first impressions. Bixby button and then volume up and down buttons there as the Note 8. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Anywho, like I said, this is a little quick video, a non-spec'd out video. I'm gonna save that for my review. But all I gotta tell you is wow. Absolutely wow. Note 9 in the building. That Bixby button though, I gotta turn that off. Anywho, stay tuned for more content on the Note 9. I'm gonna be using this bad boy extensively. And I'm gonna get back at y'all with my review in a couple weeks. Videos, pictures, boy, oh boy, pictures. Like the pictures I took last night, nah, you just gonna have to wait. Anywho, it's your boy T Hoop, and until next time, peace.